Hi, it's Claire Saunders from Watson Electronics. I'm here with Artur from Fuji. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Yourself?
Nice to see you again.
Yes.
You're good. So you guys are here at Southern Manufacturing. How are things going for you?
Oh, it's brilliant. It's been third year. We exhibit here. It's the show is getting better and better each year. We get more attention. We are definitely here to stay, and
Good.
all together it's a very positive experience for us.
Fantastic. And the UK market for you right now, how's that going?
Been really busy, to be honest. We have loads of interest in our machines. I think it took us a while to get back to the place where we need to be, but it all pays off now because, like I said, we're here. We have a stand this year better than last year and the year before. We brought the machine. It's a twin machine to the first machine released on the market that runs without an operator.
Okay.
So it's really exciting for us to see the customers' interaction.
So tell me a little bit more about this machine. I understand it's very, very different.
Well, it is. I mean, we have 80 centimeters width of the machine, placing 120 components per hour with 63 slots for 8mm feeders. We place all 201 in millimeters components at that speed, so we're just here to prove that we are mechanically so fine engineered that we can do this, we can achieve this, we can achieve anything really.
Okay,
so,
brilliant.
Yes.
Great stuff. And this is the first time you've shown this machine, so it's...
Yes, we brought it here. It represents the digital, not the twin of the first fully automated machine that we released that runs without an operator when the feeders are exchanged automatically. It just comes in a different flavor. This is the NXCR-S model. NXCR-A is the fully automated version.
Okay, fantastic, great stuff. And I guess you guys will be at Productronica in November as well?
Definitely.
Fantastic, great stuff. Well, I hope things continue to go well. I hope this machine is very popular for you and that 2025 turns out to be a great year.
Thank you. Yes,
Thank you very much.
So as well.
Cheers.